I thought I'd talk to you today about the modern charm quilt, which is hanging behind me. It's not technically a charm quilt because it has some repeat fabrics in it. Charm quilts should be all different fabrics, but when you go around the shows, you can often pick up charm packs, and of course that's exactly what I did. This is a nickel pack from Creative Quilting. Nickel pack means that it's a 5-inch square. And the quilt behind me was made with exactly the same sort of squares, which again I fell in love with as I was wandering around the shop. So this is one half of my quilt. I have pressed the seams. If you've watched Jenny and my little video, Seams Common Sense, you will know that she believes in opening the seams. I like to keep mine closed. But you can see that I have pressed them. I did think about these as I was sewing, so it made life a little easier.